In this video, we are going to look at Grifform's solid surface sinks. Solid surfaces offer many different benefits which make them a great material for sinks. Grifform offers many different sink types to accommodate a user's potential needs. Depending on the sink type, Grifform offers a selection of different mounting options including undermount, overmount, vessel, farm face, and wall mount. Through our website, you can custom spec your sink exactly how you might need it. Bring your space together with Grifform Innovation's solid surface products.